Hello, this is Dave at Quantum Laser Machines. I just wanted to show you prototype number 3. Okay, it is 5 centimeters long, and you can just make that out there. And it's very smooth. It has not got any threading inside either end at the moment, so it's 5 centimeters. What's the diameter now? 18 inside, I think, and 22 on the outside. So that was prototype number 3. As you can see, I don't have any lenses in there at the moment. It is still a non-working prototype. It's just prototype number 3. Very strong. That's really good. Now prototype number 4, rather than it being a straight all the way like that, prototype number 4 has got what I'd call kind of a raised edge there. Can you see? Now here's the cool thing about number 4. Right, we do have inside a thread at the bottom end anyway, and we haven't at the top because I haven't decided if I need one there yet. So the thread at the bottom, as you can see on my little diagram, is to screw onto a flange plate. Yeah, I said it, flange plate. So it's a 19mm thread that goes into the bevel there, look. So we're getting closer, we are getting closer. So if I decide in future not to have that thread that'll fit a 19, what's the solution? Well, it will be number 5. This is Mambo number 5. So it's exactly the same, and it does not have a thread inside. It's smooth, but it has a grub screw. There, simple. When I was threading with my tap and die thing in there earlier, they were crumbling and breaking, and it was only by the number 4 I managed to get the thread put in, actually manufactured with the thread in there. And I just thought, that's okay if it's going to go on a 19, that's great because it's a 19 thread. But now, without having the thread, it's much easier and faster to manufacture these with a grub screw, and now I can fit onto anything, even the AW machines, which I'll talk to you about later if you want to know. There we have it. This is Mambo number 5. I'm getting closer. Now all I need to do is get a lens in the top and a lens in the bottom. So I could, in fact, tell me what you think about this. I could have it screw onto the flange plate and then use the grub screw to hold the lens. Then again, I might not. So like I say, it's only number 5, and I'm going to make about 20 of these, I reckon. So once I've got, like I say, 20 of these different varieties, I'm then going to ask people, what do you want? What do you think the best thing is at this point? Do you want to change the lenses? Do you want them to stay the same? And what can I do with these? Because I've got about 10 of these now. So what I might do is make a tap and die on these and just use them as beam expanders to make them longer, like that. So that'll be a 10 centimeter long lens. It could be for military use, maybe not. Could be for others. Anyway, please comment, share. So number 3, number 4, number 5. So this one has a thread, so that'll go on straight away with a lens. This one will go on straight away without a thread. Which do you think you'd use? Which one's most industrial? Which one's most professional? Okay, thank you very much for your time. Have a superb whatever you're up to. Thank you.